Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Manali Koilo. I am a professional makeup and hair artist. I do makeup and hair for brides, shoots, special events, and I also teach one-on-one personal grooming workshops. You can contact me for all of what I've just said once we are past the COVID-19 quarantine. Having said that, I hope you are at home, safe, connecting with yourself and your loved ones. Stay smart, stay quarantined. A while ago, you guys had voted for a gold smoky eye on my Insta stories. So I thought, why not teach you something slightly different? This is a halo eye. It's basically got some smokiness on the outer corners, the inner and outer corner, and right in the middle, a pop of gold with a little bit of glitter. Really hope you like this look, and without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So guys, to begin this halo eye look, I'm going to be using the same Too Faced palette that I absolutely love. The reason why I'm using it is because it's got, as you can see, a beautiful array of a lot of brown shades, and that's what we need. So to begin, I am going to be taking this sort of a brush. This is a Pro Art brush. It's in their old, old packaging, and it's very sort of compact. It's fluffy but compact. So I'm taking the shade Hot to Trot from the palette. It's a very nice rich brown shade, and I'm just placing that out here like so. So first we place the brown shade in the inner corner, as you can see, and this is nice and pigmented, so it looks absolutely stunning. So once we are done sort of roughly placing it out here, I am going to take it now on my outer corner as well. Just like so, leaving a gap in the middle for a beautiful gold halo shade. So this is a sort of a gold smoky eye that I mentioned that you guys requested, but it's with a little bit of a pop. Next, to add a little bit of the gold sparkle, I am going to be using the gold shade from my BH Cosmetics Summer Loving palette, and this is the shade. However, the Too Faced palette has beautiful gold shades as well, but this is something that I was looking for, and you could also use a rose gold in this case. But here I'm just going to be taking this shade on my ring finger, and this is how I am placing it just in the middle and sort of blending it out with the two sides of brown using my finger itself so that it looks nice and blended in. So this is essentially the look, guys. Very, very simple. And the next step, I'm sure you're going to be loving as much as I do. So guys, you could totally stop the look here, but as you can see with my left and my right eye has a lot more pop, and that's because I've added a little bit of glitter. Now I am using the Heavy Metals glitter liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful glitter liners by Urban Decay, and my opinion, a very, very, very nice product because it does not really dry up. I have a Stila product with a very similar concept just like this, but then that dries up very, very fast. But this is absolutely beautiful. Look what a beautiful pop that creates. You can just dab it with your finger to sort of disperse the glitter specks everywhere. Now guys, the last step is to pop a highlight on our brow bone. I am using my highlight palette by Becca. You can use absolutely any highlight palette that you have, and just adding that below the arc of my brow and a little bit ahead as well to create a nice and lifted appearance. My next step is going to be using some mascara, and if you want to know how to curl your lashes without using an eyelash curler, head on over to my IGTV videos, click on this tiny little icon on my Instagram profile, and it will take you to my Technique Tuesday videos where I show you exactly how to do this. I want to quickly show you my sort of base routine, but if you want to watch a detailed video, like I said, go ahead on my profile, click the tiny television like icon, and my Technique Tuesday videos, I'm showing you how to do your foundation. Already primed my skin using the Professional Primer by Benefit Cosmetics, going in with shade 255 in the Fenty Pro Filter foundation using my PAC sponge. I'm just pushing this into my skin like so. This is a brilliant foundation, very full coverage, yet your skin looks like skin, so that's the best part. So guys, to elevate this look, you could add a little bit of bronzer to bring back color to your skin and give your face some shape and dimension. Also, you could add some blush and highlight, and a detailed video will be coming on all of this very soon. Next, I'm going to be sort of smoking the lower lash line out to complete this beautiful eye look. Taking a little bit of my kohl pencil as usual, like I always tell you guys, halfway through, like so, taking it a little bit out of your natural lash line. Taking a pencil brush, I'm taking the same shade Hot to Trot, and I'm going to be smudging my lower lash line out like so, just smudging the kajal and connecting it to the rest of my outer corner. So this is the final look, guys. Really hope you like it. It is a slightly different take on your usual gold brown smoky eye, so I'm hoping you like it. If you do, if you recreate it, please tag me, please mention it in the comments below. I would love to see that. Also, it's a brilliant time to brush up on your makeup skills. So if you want to access any of my previous content, you can head on over to my Instagram account, click on the tiny television like icon, and it'll take you to all my previous content. Also, I've been making videos from quite some time on YouTube as well, so access my YouTube account as well, which goes by Makeup by Loka Miko. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.